Good morning. It's our second day of camping here at Manning Park Campground. At today we're going to hike. There's a hiking trail here around the lake. It's about 10 kilometers. But let's see if my power can still do this. Every camping we indulge on food, lalo na ngayon kasama namin yung tatlong anak namin together with spouse and children. May kanya-kanya na kasi silang bahay at bihira din kaming magkita-kita kasi sobrang busy buhay dito sa Canada. So camping is our way to spend time together, enjoy and bond. So ang dami namin dinadalang pagkain kasi kasama na rin yan sa pag-i-enjoy namin. At grabe, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. At may snack pa yan in between. Kaya kailangan namin magkaroon ng physical activity to burn some of those calories. Anyway, going back to hiking, kung mapapansin nyo, ang daming trees. According to sa nabasa ko, yung mga trees daw dito sa Manning Park approaching 2,000 years old na. Kaya ayan, ang dami nang natumba at dyan lang sila mabubulok. Sayang kung sa Pilipinas lang yan, marami na yung nalutong pagkain, ulam at kanin at marami na ring nagawang bahay. Pero dito kasi sa Canada talagang bawal. They are very strict on ecological balance sa mga forest dito. Kaya bawal na bawal manguha ng mga tuyong kahoy, mga kahit twigs lang na nakakalat dun sa campground para gamitin sa campfire, bawal kuhanin. Kaya kung gusto naming mag-campfire, we have to bring our own firewood. O ayan, kasama namin yung apo namin. 8 years old pa lang yan, pero talagang napakatyaga at enjoy na enjoy siya sa pag-hiking. Hindi madaling i-hike ang trail na to, ang daming ugat dyan sa daanan. At kung di ka maingat at matakid ka, diyan ka babagsak sa malamig na tubig ng lake. Ito ang mas mahirap. Buti na lang may power pa ang mga tuhod ko. Ay nako, talagang hirap na ako dito sa mga malalaking rocks na to. Medyo mahirap talagang i-hike ang trail na to, but still worth it. The views are amazing. The dense forest, sparkling lakes, at napakatahimik. You can only hear the tweeting of the birds. At yung mga bundok, napakagaganda. It will really make you feel sense of awe and wonder. It's truly a blessing to experience this majestic landscape. Finally, na-reach na namin itong bridge which is half of the trail. So, ibig sabihin, naka 5 kilometers kami. So, hanggang dito na lang kami, pagod na. Ayan, nag-diving na, nag-swimming na ang kasama namin. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoy my story and see you again next time. Thank you.